Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve question number 21. This is based on machinery account and provision for depreciation account, balance given, straight line method. Question is saying a company has the following balance on 1st April 2019. It means balance of machinery account is given on 1st April 2019, 2,50,000, and provision for depreciation account balance is also given 1,20,000. Depreciation was provided at the rate of 20% per annum on original cost method, and account were closed on 31st March each year. On 1st July 2019, a part of machinery bought for rupees 1 lakh on 1st July 2016 was sold for rupees 45,000, and a new machine was purchased in rupees 1,25,000 on the same date. Prepare machinery account and provision for depreciation account for the year 1920. It means we have to prepare depreciation account, provision for depreciation account and machine account only for 1 year, and in this question previous balance are given. So let us start the question. First we have to prepare format. This is question number 21, DR side of machinery account. And this is CR side, date, particulars, rupees, amount, date, particulars, rupees, and this is provision for depreciation account, DR side and CR side. Provision for depreciation account, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. Now student, we have to put the balance of machinery 2,50,000, and as we know a part of machine cost rupees 1 lakh was sold was purchased on 1st July 2016, sold for 45,000 on 1st July 2019. So we have to do separate the balance of machine in two parts, and we will write on 1st April 2019, April 1st, to balance BD. First machine balance will be 1,50,000, and second machine include in 2,50,000 balance will be 1 lakh. Now student, we have to write in final column 2,50,000. And in provision for depreciation account also we will write by on 2019 1st April by balance BD, and it will also be in two part, and total provision for depreciation account is given 1,20,000. So first we have to calculate total amount of depreciation on the machine which is sold on 1st July 2019. So let us calculate depreciation on that machine which is sold on 1st July 2019. So student, we can see that the machine cost 1 lakh and bought on 1st July 2016, and closing year is 31st March. So depreciation up to 31st March 2017 will be for 9 months. In 16-17 on 1 lakh cost is given 1 lakh at the rate of 20% per annum. So it will be 15,000, and on 31st March 2018 depreciation will be for 12 months in this year. So it will be 20,000 through a straight line method, and on 31st March 2019 for 12 months. So it will also be 20,000, and when it sold on 1st July 2019, then depreciation will be for 3 months only in this year. So it will be 5,000, and we can see that total depreciation will be 60,000 on that machine which is sold in 45,000 on 1st July 2019. So let us see. We will write on 2019 July 1st by depreciation, provision for depreciation account, provision for depreciation account, because we have to maintain provision for depreciation account also. So student, we will write provision for depreciation account 60,000 total balance, and on July 1st it is sold. Therefore we will write bank account also 45,000. In this case we can see cost is 1 lakh depreciation is charging 60,000, then remaining cost will be 40,000 only, and when it is sold in 45,000, then we have profit or gain, we can say gain on machine 5,000. So I will write PL account in bracket profit 5,000 on July 1st. Now student, remaining balance of machine will be 1,50,000 and a new machine also purchase on same date. So we will write bank account 1,25,000, and now our balance will be on 2020 31st March by balance CD will be now total will be 3,80,000, and I will also write 3,80,000 in credit side, and remaining balance will be our balance CD. So it will be 2,75,000. And in provision for depreciation account, we will write $1,20,000 given in question, and when we sold the machine on July, so in this year we will take a depreciation 5,000, and I will write July 1st by depreciation on that machine which is sold on 1st July. It will be 5,000 only, because in this year 1st April to July on 1 lakh at the rate of 20% per annum, depreciation will show 5,000. Now on 31st March 2020, by depreciation on remaining machine will be on 1,50,000. 1,50,000 at the rate of rupees, at the rate of 20% per annum. So it will be 30,000, and one more machine we have 1,25,000. So we will calculate depreciation at the rate of 20% for 9 months, because it has been purchased on 1st July. So from July 1st to 31st March 2020, it will be 9 months, and depreciation will be 18,750. So student, depreciation on first machine will be 30,000 on remaining balance, and second new machine 18,750 So I will write 48,750. And now we have to calculate the balance. So total will be 1,73,750. I will write both sides. 1,73,750. And on 2019 July 1st to machine account, the machine which is sold on 1st July, total depreciation calculated 60,000. And on 2020 31st March to balance CD will be 1,73,750 minus 60,000. So it will remain 1,13,750. So this is the solution of this question. You can take a screenshot also, and you have to solve next question as homework today. Again, I will meet tomorrow in next video, and I am giving homework. Solve question number 22. Question number 22 as HW and send me. If any problem, then you may call and message me. Thank you very much.